Hi everybody, today I'm going to discuss on interesting topic. There are many people, they face this problem. I am able to identify there are some beginners, they fight to speak English. Okay, what is the reason behind this? Okay, what is the insight? I'm going to give you the beautiful insight which will help you to speak English fluently. Okay, so what is the exact meaning of insight? Insight means having deep knowledge. Do you have deep knowledge in English? If you want to become a good speaker, you must have deep knowledge. You must have deep insight in something. You must have deep insight on different topics. Yes. See, when I was working in a school and colleges, I did research on different topics. I started to practice all the topics. This is the way I have been developing my spoken English. If you want to become a great speaker, you must build your insight strong. Okay? So this is the first point you need to proceed. So have it in your mind, you must have deep knowledge on different topics. Okay, the next thing, have you ever seen a baby, like doing all actions after coming out from mother's womb? No. It is impossible. A child needs time. A child needs time to observe the things around him or her. Okay. So how does a child learn things, learn actions? Come on, are you able to answer to my question? How does a child learn things around him or her? Only through listening. See, a child needs to listen everything from her mom or his mom. This is the way a child learns how to speak the first word, the second word and the third word. This is the way a child learns. A child cannot learn very immediately. So if you want to become a good speaker, you cannot be the best speaker first, or you cannot practice speaking, or you cannot practice reading. This will not help you to speak. When you start listening things, around you consistently, you will be able to become a good speaker. So the first thing you're supposed to do, you must become a good listener. See, if you start listening words around you and just increasing the insight, the deep knowledge, okay, which you're going to build it inwardly, it will be exposed, it will be revealed outside, okay, or one or another day. You need to concentrate on these two things. First, insight, deep knowledge, and the second thing, listening. You must listen and grab all the words, new vocabularies, and try to keep all those words in your brain. And when you pour water on your head, what will happen? Water will overflow from your head, right? It won't stand there. So likewise, you can just collect all new vocabularies around you and try to store it in your mind and start speaking. So how can you store? You must become a baby. You must become a baby, listening things around you and grabbing all the words and have that insight and just produce it outside. And you will be able to find a tremendous change, and the words will be popped out. You'll be able to find tremendous changes in you. Definitely, if you follow these two rules, the secrets, definitely it will help you more and more to become the best speaker. I hope you have enjoyed listening these two tricks and you're going to practice it practically. Okay, I'm going to explain these two topics in Tamil also in forthcoming videos. If you are the first viewer, kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon too. Don't forget to build your insight and build your listening skill. Bye.